Alright everyone, so today I would like to talk about how I actually hold my jugs, okay? So I found that I like to put my palm very close to the bottom of the jugs. I feel a little bit better control. So you can see this here. So go very tight because when I actually start to spinning, when I start to spin and top up the milk, so the bottom can be like that. You can see, and then when I start to do this one slightly going up, and when I'm gonna dragging along, I'm gonna use the tip of the spout, carry my line when I'm gonna draw any line or dragging anything. So I make sure the bottom is not go like that because it's gonna be a lot of liquid into my cup. But if it's like that, not very good as well because it's gonna be a lot of foam and it's gonna breathe it. So it's kind of like I really need to control the angle here. So I found this part, it will help support when I'm gonna move along the line. So I can actually move it better with this part, okay? So you also have to control your elbow as well. Like pretty much I control using the palm, put through, carry on my pattern. So I think this is a very good tip. Let's see the video. See, I use the palm to move along so I can control more angle here. And also this one you need to actually control as well.